Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Dell XPS 139350 battery. So let's get started. I've got a battery from eBay. It's a brand new one. So you're gonna remove that. This is the battery. If you need the part number, you can read it. Let's get started. So first we're gonna need two screwdrivers. So this one is not Phillips ones. So if you have a toolbox like this, I'd recommend to get one of them. It's a small one, but mostly suitable for laptops. And we're gonna need another Phillips screwdriver for this one here. We'll start removing the screws. Now we'll change the screwdriver and remove this one. So now that's it. Now we're gonna need to remove this panel. So I'd recommend use sharp plastic like this to remove the back panel. Let's go all the way around. That's it. The back panel has come off. Now this laptop didn't have a battery installed, so we are going to put the battery in. Before we do that, we need to take some screws out. So it will go in like this. Usually this holds the battery like this. So just make sure it's in place. Now just make sure the battery is in place, and there should be 1, 2, 3 screws here. Because mine didn't have a battery installed, so the screws are missing. So make sure to put them screws when you take your old one out. Make sure to put them screws back. I'm just using one screw so that it holds the battery. And with the RAM, this laptop has embedded RAM, so you can't take the RAM out. For the hard drives, it uses M.2 SSDs. So you can just to remove the hard drive, you can just unscrew you just unscrew the and you can just pull this out. So if you want to upgrade the SSD, you can just remove it and change the. We'll put this back on. And put the screw back on again. Now we are going to connect the battery. So once everything is finished, that's when you connect the battery. So it's connected now. So already now, we'll just put the back panel back on. Make sure all the part locks in before you put the screws back on. There. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.